Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to add text to your CapCut videos. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and launch CapCut on your device and upload the media that you'd want to edit. Now, once you've added your content, tap the text icon at the bottom toolbar. Select Add Text and now type in the text as you like. After you're done with the text, you can also adjust its color, fonts, and shadow. If you want your text to look more complex, next to the Style tab for text, you can also apply effects, bubbles, and animations to the text. Since they are presets, you don't need advanced editing skills to deal with the settings. Now, after you're satisfied with how your text looks, you can add it to your timeline. After adding text to the timeline, you can drag its edge to make it longer or shorter, depending on how long you prefer it to stay on the screen. So this way, you can add whatever text you like in your CapCut videos. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials.